Welcome back, guys. As you know, we are in the process of installing PeopleSoft, and in this quest, we so far, have downloaded most of the softwares, but there are few which are yet to be downloaded. For example, we have downloaded all these above PeopleSoft specific softwares. Apart from this, we have already downloaded Oracle Database Server. We already have made the environment where we will be installing PeopleSoft. So all these things are done. In addition to what we have done so far, in addition to what we have downloaded so far, we have to also download JRocket and the Oracle SQL Developer. Now, either we can download JRocket or we can download latest Java development kit or Java environment. I mean, as far as I think, if it doesn't work out, then we will download JRocket later. But now let's download JDK latest version instead of JRocket, which is available right here in the Oracle eDelivery where we had logged in yesterday and we have logged in today as well. So JDK 7 is available here, so we can download JDK 7. Just click on download. So this JRocket or JDK, these are Java environment which is must for installing PeopleSoft. So let's download it, and we also, as I mentioned, we also have to download Oracle SQL Developer for the backend access of Oracle database. We have two accesses, backend and frontend. For Oracle database, frontend is PIA and backend is from SQL Developer. So we'll download that. And that can be found. Let's go to Oracle website again and Oracle SQL Developer. Let's download the latest version of it. Accept the license and terms. Latest version is, I suppose, 4.1. But for this we need the JDK 8. I guess this one will not work without, it will not work with JDK 7, I suppose. So let's see what previous versions we have. Yeah, so this will work with JDK 7. So let's download it. So Windows 64-bit, if I include JDK 7, that we don't need. We already have downloaded JDK 7. So Windows 32 64-bit, this one we need. So let's download it. Yeah, so we need to accept the license and terms, and then just click on download. Yes, so So let it download. In the meantime, while it is being downloaded, and I think this is the last thing which we need to download. After that, the download part will be over, and then once we have downloaded everything, we need to start the installation of all these applications. Okay, so so this is the step number 2. Step number 1 was downloading all the necessary softwares whichever are required. Now from the step number 2 is about installing all the applications. So before we do that, before we go into step number 2, let's do some organization. Let's organize our softwares which we have downloaded. Let me go to the disk where we have stored all the softwares. Yes. So these are the parts that we have. We need to, organize them. We need to put them in the appropriate folders just to identify them easily. So let me first name them accordingly. See, these names are not clear to us actually. We need to give the appropriate name so that we can identify easily. So since I have forgotten the parts number, so let me just compare the part number with the product name and rename our files. So the first one that we had downloaded was PeopleSoft Human Capital Management full install through update image 9 multilingual. So let me just copy this entire thing and let me just compare it. V47453-01 V47453-01. So this is yes. Okay. After that, then we downloaded People Tools 8.54 part 1 to part 4, and this is V45366-01 right from here to there. Yes. Part 2 of 4. Part 3 of 4. Part 4 of 4. Yes. This is also done. After that, we downloaded Oracle Tuxedo, which is V38409. Is also done. Then we downloaded Oracle Fusion middleware. After that, we downloaded JDK. No, sorry. Oracle Fusion Middleware 12c WebLogic Server and Coherence. I think I've copied the wrong name here. This is the one which is correct. V38518-01. No, this is the correct. रुक जाओ, बंद करो, बंद करो, रुक जाओ एक मिनट और डलवाओ. इतने कपड़े, इतनी बड़ी 6x6 की चादर थी, उसमें इतनी भारी 5 किलो की चादर हो जाती गिनती होने के बाद. रुको एक मिनट, मानती नहीं है कोई. कितनी बड़ी चादर 6x6 की, देखो 7 किलो वजन डालना होता है इसकी. कम से कम 3-4 किलो की होती है. 7 किलो का वजन डालना होगा, ठीक है. 7.5 किलो की वॉशिंग मशीन है ये. 7.5 किलो की. हाँ, 7.2 की है. So we have renamed the download files for People Tools and PeopleSoft application. Let's copy the softwares that we have downloaded today, which is SQL Developer and the JDK. So let's copy both of these. So this is JDK, let's rename it as well. And this is SQL developer. This is Oracle, so let's rename it as well. .12.1. And let's rename the other one as well. Part 2. Now we have renamed the files which we downloaded, but there is a but the organization of the folders